you are ready to embark on a journey, a transformative journey to financial freedom. I'm talking about a journey where you can be earning as much as $200 every single day and repeatedly, because you can just earn even more than $200 in a day. As far as you keep working for it, you can earn as much as $400, $600, $800, and of course $1,000. If this prospect excites you, then you have stumbled on the perfect video that will actually take you on an extraordinary journey to this financial freedom, because right here and right now I'm going to break it down to you from the beginning to the end. So all you have to do right now is to stay focused and follow every step of the way, everything I'll be practicalizing for you today. Just picture yourself waking up one morning and picking your phone with a delightful face and realizing that you've been credited with $200. How beautiful can that be? And this not just once, not twice, not thrice, but many times over and over again. If you're waiting for that dream to come true, then you are in the right place, because right in this video I'm breaking it down for you. So stay tuned and let's dive into it. This is totally different from some of the money making tips and videos you've been seeing on YouTube and also on social media. This is going to change your perspective on how to make money online, because this is too good to be true. Open your browser and type in eurekastreet.com.au. The moment you hit that enter key, you will find yourself standing at the entrance of a virtual gold mine, bursting with opportunity, just waiting to be seized. Now let me break it down to you. This website that you are on right now offers a variety of opportunities that you can actually start experiencing and start taking advantage of. One of which is for you to start earning $200 every single day for a task that is deceptively simple. But what is the task? You may ask yourself. I'm also asking myself right now, what is the task? It's just as simple as you writing a 1,000-word article and posting it right on that website. But here is the kicker. They don't just put you in a maze of obstacles and leaving you alone to just find your ways around. No, this is very, very straightforward. You just have to compose an article and send it to them. Your article will be reviewed and approved as far as it's aligned with their submission guidelines. I understand that right now you may be thinking about where you can start generating this article. Well, here is where the magic happens, because right now I'm going to show you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to actually take care of everything without you having to think too much about yourself. And which artificial intelligence am I talking about? ChatGPT. Here is the process. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm titles that fall under categories like politics, international events, or current events and religion. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to write you article about people who predicted the end of the world but failed, and within a twinkle of an eye you will definitely see a well and brilliantly composed article. Now it's time for you to unleash your creative genius. How do you do that? Copy the generated article, paste it in your Word document, and take the time to format it like an article the right way. Rewrite it, correct the errors, and also arrange it the way it should be. Then save the Word document. This is going to be your ticket to unleashing your gold mine. And here comes the exciting part. All you have to do is to visit the website again, scroll down to the bottom part of the website and click on submit an article. Once you click on submit an article, it's going to take you to the submission page where you will submit your article. But if you are still finding it hard to locate that submission page, I've actually dropped the link right in the description below. Ensure you check it out. When you are on the submission page, complete the form by entering your first name, last name, a valid email address, and your phone number. Take a moment to introduce yourself briefly. Most importantly, upload the article file you've carefully created. You will notice an option that inquires whether you wish to be compensated for your article. Absolutely, who doesn't like to get paid? Check that box, and if you are eager for even more exposure for your work, select the option to have your article republished to other websites. Finally, click on accept terms and conditions and then hit that submit button. You are now on the brink of something extraordinary. To further enhance your journey to success, you can take the time to visit the website, take the time to check out other people's articles, how it is being formatted, how it is being composed, and everything about their articles, the way it is arranged. And with that, you can have a better idea of how you can compose your own article and make it stand out of the crowd. And now here's the beauty of it all. You can rinse and repeat and repeat and repeat, and before you know it, the $200 will keep piling up and piling up faster than you imagine. This is an exciting way to make money online, and all you have to do is to just follow it with diligence and precision. If this this video have helped you in one way or the other, ensure you subscribe and hit the like button. Whatever you do, never stop making money.